Do you need a solar-powered LED sensor light for outside? Maybe you do. Let's find out. Check in the text below this video and also in the comments section. I'll provide a link for either this exact product or something similar. It helps me out if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. This is pretty cool. Let's see what we have here. We have a solar light, an intelligent safety solar security light. It's called Intelligent Safety LED Sensor Light. The company name is Topmante. If you're looking it up for resale, if you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link for you, and also in the comments. It provides a 1-year warranty. We have instructions. Very compact. A little light here. I'm going to pop that one back in. Let's put this thing together and see what our instructions say to do. My box actually came with 2 sets of instructions that were exactly the same. So they're calling it the Intelligent Safety LED Sensor Light. It has 3 different lights on it. Has a nice diagram that shows you where the installation hole is in the back and all the components are on the front. Here's the solar sensor, here's the off and on light, and then you have the 3 LED, they call them lamp beads, and there's your motion indicator. Here's the electrical specifications. Gives you some information about how to operate it. Make sure that you have it charged fully from the sunlight. And of course, being solar powered, if it's a cloudy day or the solar panel cannot get solar energy, then it's not going to be operative at all. Gives you some installation, reminding you to let the panel face the sun. Gives you some options on the working instructions. And it will turn brighter when motion is detected. Reminds us to charge it for 5 hours in the sunlight before using. If the light blinks, it shows that the power is low and it needs to be charged with sunlight right away. I found that most of the solar panels, if you charge them with, if you can bring them inside and charge them with a light bulb, under a light bulb, then they're going to charge back. Of course, once you install it, that's not going to be an option. So as it's specified in the instructions, this is the solar charging panel. It's quite large. Here are the installation holes that you can put the screws in there and then slide it down so they're secured. Very neat light. It also comes with mounting equipment, screws and toggles. Here's the off and on switch. Here's the motion sensor. And then you have the 3 light beads, and these are adjustable. You can turn them and get them to face in whatever directions that you want them to be in. Just remember when you're installing it that you can tilt the solar panel up to collect more sunlight and turn your lights so that they will shine wherever you would have them shine, and then mount it that way. So if you're mounting it here and wanted it to shine back behind the pole, you could turn one that way and have this one illuminate this way, and then turn that one over to the side if you wanted to. So it's kind of nice to have these options. So it'll illuminate front and back. Nice. So I'm in the darkest room of the house. We have no windows in here, and I just charged this over a lamp for maybe about 15 or 20 minutes and wanted to see if it would work. And it does. So it's not completely on bright, but there it just caught the motion sensor. So it's pretty bright. Let's see, I'm going to turn it around and face the screen. So pretty bright. So if I mount it like that and let it catch the sun, you saw it just dim. I can turn the light back that way and turn one that way. So I'll have light coming this way, light going that way, and then light going that way. That's nice. I like that. And then after the motion detector detects no motion, it's supposed to go back to a dimmer brightness. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching my video about this light. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment below. It's free to share the video. If you have time before you go, watch another video. And until we meet again, let's just keep everything bright. Thank you. Bye.